Welcome to Montessori Reggio Academy, an award-winning, Cognia-accredited, and Cambridge International private school, where authentic Montessori education meets the creative brilliance of the Reggio Emilia Approach. With locations in Sugar Land and Katy, we offer an exceptional learning experience designed to nurture your child's full potential. Our program combines the time-tested Montessori method with Reggio Emilia's emphasis on arts, science, and exploration, fostering respect, responsibility, and a strong sense of community through discovery. At Montessori Reggio Academy, we also go beyond traditional learning with our Mandarin lessons and Spanish immersion program, cultivating global citizens ready to thrive in a connected world. From enriching extracurriculars to an environment designed for curiosity and growth, every moment here is a step towards your child's brighter future. As a Cognia-accredited institution, we're committed to excellence in education. Montessori Reggio Academy is also proud to be the first in Texas recognized as a Cambridge Early Years Center, providing an internationally benchmarked foundation for lifelong learning. Give your child the gift of a truly unique education. Join us at Montessori Reggio Academy, where innovation and tradition come together to inspire young minds. Visit us today in Sugar Land or Katy to see the difference for yourself.